Have you ever seen a warning light on your dashboard and didn't know what it means? Today, I'll explain the most common dashboard warning lights, what they mean, why they turn on, and what you should do next. This video will help you avoid serious damage and save money. Let's start. Dashboard indicators are your car's way of communicating with you. Some lights are warnings, some are informational, and some mean, stop the car immediately. Ignoring the wrong light can lead to expensive repairs. This is the oil pressure warning light. It means the engine is not getting enough oil pressure. Driving with this light on can destroy your engine. Stop the engine immediately and check the oil level. This is the engine temperature warning light. It means the engine is overheating. Stop the car, turn off the engine, and allow it to cool. Driving while overheating can cause severe engine damage. This is the brake warning light. It can mean low brake fluid or a serious brake system issue. Brakes are critical for safety, so never ignore this light. This is the battery warning light. It does not mean the battery is dead. It usually indicates a charging system problem, like the alternator or wiring. If ignored, the car may suddenly stop. This is the check engine light. It can turn on because of a faulty sensor, actuator, controller, or other engine management problems. If the light is steady, you can drive carefully. If it's blinking, stop the car and check it immediately. This is the ABS warning light. Your normal brakes will still work, but ABS may not. Drive carefully and get the system checked as soon as possible. This is the airbag warning light. If this light stays on, the airbags may not deploy during an accident. This is a safety issue and should be diagnosed properly. Never cover dashboard lights or ignore them. Warning lights are designed to protect your car and your life. Early diagnosis always saves your money. If this video helped you understand your dashboard warning lights, please like, subscribe, and share this video. More car repair tips and explanations are coming in the next videos. Thank you for watching.